Together we are a fusion. It's how we were made. Two together working as one. And we are not afraid. First impressions, we get reactions. We are so unique. Two together, look at us now. A fusion freak. So much confusion.